boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, a great collab. Luke Combs and Alison Krauss. We just hear her voice in the background, this crisp, beautiful voice, and makes perfect match. Together they sing Ever Mine, alright? Great song, fits guitar very well, obviously, so let's go into this one. I use the capo on 5th. I believe that is the best scenario for us to have the easiest chords possible to match up with the sound. And with that, we have only 4 different chords, so let's learn them together. I'm going to start with C first. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. A minor next. So you're going to play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. G coming up, and that is 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the F, which is a bar chord. So you place index finger on the 1st fret, push down all strings with all power you have in your mind and hand, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And the strumming is simple, guys. If you go to the 1st chord, C, 1 string around is down, up, down, up. I try to play and emphasize the 2nd down a little bit more than the other ones when it comes to playing the higher strings down there. So in some songs this is more of a prominent technique. In this song not so much, but still a little bit there. It's there in the background to highlight the 2nd and last down in the string pattern with these high strings. So alright, hope that makes sense. Now let's go into the first verse. We're gonna play C4, A minor 4, G4, and F4. That's the first half. The second half is very, very similar. It's C4, A minor 4, G4, and F6. That's the only difference. Instead of playing F4 in the first half, in the end, you play F6 in the second half. And all that is one round, okay? You're gonna play first verse like that, and then you're gonna go right into the second verse. So they come right after each other. So you just repeat all that again. C, A minor, G, F4, and then C, A minor, G, F6. Okay? And that will be the first 2 verses. Then you're gonna go into the first chorus. Starts at about 1 minute sharp into this song. And in the lyrics, amidst the grips of these and so on. That's where we are in the lyrics. We're gonna play F4, C4, G4, and A minor 4. You're gonna play that chord progression for 3 rounds, and then you're gonna finish off with G4 and A minor 4. So 3 rounds of this. And then you're gonna finish with G4 and A minor 4. And that's it. That's the first chorus. Then we're gonna go back again and play the verse play. Technically, this is the 3rd verse, and you're gonna play that in the very same way as you just learned the previous verses. No changes there. Then comes the 2nd and final chorus, and that is the final thing that's gonna happen. We're gonna play this F4, C4, G4, and A minor 4, not for 3 rounds as we played in the first chorus. We're gonna play it for 8 full rounds, and then after these 8 rounds, we're gonna end on that beautiful A minor, the final chord in that 8th round. And that, my friends, that is how you handle Luke Combs and Alison Krauss' Ever Mine. Great song. If you want to learn it, it's not too hard. Just follow these tips, the setup, 4 chords, that's it. So good luck, guys. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.